I want to get it while I can, right? This noise is so annoying as I drive. It beeps, beeps, beeps. Sometimes I come back on, but for the most part, every time I accelerate to a certain degree, it stops. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I've been trying to look for it for like a couple of months now, like a month and a half already. Yeah, I don't drive this car all the time, so I'm just using it today for a quick errand. But this is what I wanted to record before I fix the actual problem, so you guys can see. It's not a check engine light, you know. It is a check engine light, but it's not it. See? Alright. This is what I gotta deal with. So what you do is you just put up the music.
Looking like you just trying to
I can't hear it. And then you can't hear it no more. But it's a low tone. It sounds like it's coming out the speakers, but I think it's just the tweeters, honestly. But yeah, whenever the car is steady, it does it. It stops though every now and again. It start again. I'm not sure if it's the combustion chamber, I mean the pressure in the engine, or it's not oil. I check oil. I don't know. I really don't know yet. I'm trying to figure that out. Maybe it's a short wire. We'll see. And then after you get the pressure in there, it just stops. So, and there's no more pressure right now. It's just gliding. I keep on, and once I start slowing down, I'm thinking if I'm right, it should start again. I really don't know. See? It goes on, it goes off. So it's definitely a warning signal for something, but the car drives fine, so I'm thinking it's a short wire. See? No warning messages, nothing. It's just telling me to stop. See? So, anybody know what this is, please let me know. But I'm gonna try to fix it, so hopefully if I post this video with the fix, even better, you know? But this is really my issue right here.